Hello, good morning. It's me, Confident Queen, sending good vibes to you. Here I am in my favorite place in Gravesend in Kent at the promenade. Yes, it's a lovely day. Just look at the waterfalls. The waterfalls, beautiful. Oh, what a beautiful day. Another cloud in the sky. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. It's time to wake up and feel happy, boom boom. Wake up and feel happy, boom boom. I feel like dancing around, boom boom. I feel like dancing around, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Yeah, waha, boom boom. Okay, it's me. Be inspired, be motivated, get out of your bed and do something. Get that body moving. Get moving, get moving, get moving, get moving. Woohoo! Have a good day.